In this guide, I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode Windows 11. Intro. Now, first things first, you do need to open up your settings in order to do this. And once you're on your settings, you need to go to System over on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down on here, select recovery, and underneath the recovery options, you're going to see an option for advanced startup. Simply hit restart now and make sure that you save anything that you're working on first because your computer is going to restart. Once it reboots, you'll be taken to the Windows recovery environment, and then you just have to hit troubleshoot. And then, of course, you can open up either advanced options to access tools like startup repair, startup settings, system restore, command prompt, and UEFI firmware settings. You can also use this menu to boot from a recovery drive or a USB device, but that is how you can enter recovery mode in Windows 11. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.